It is no secret that the SEC is waging war against the crypto industry. The lawsuit against Binance, against Coinbase, alleging that they're selling air quotes unregistered securities, naming Cardano, Polygon, and all of these major cryptos as securities. It's they're trying to regulate via enforcement, and it is becoming a situation where it's apparent. Anybody that's paying attention, look right here. This is breaking news. U.S. House to vote on crypto bill for clarity on SEC or CFTC jurisdiction in weeks. That's something that's out there. The Republicans continue to defend crypto in latest letter to the SEC. And Gary Gensler is beyond a shadow of a doubt coming after crypto. I think it's fear and so it's uncertainty around, from the government standpoint, around stable coins. They want us to be using the CBDC, their version of stablecoin, all this kind of stuff, right? And it's a war. And SEC discriminating against DeFi with proposed exchange definition that's via the Blockchain Association coming out and talking about it. And it's had a lasting impact in the last week. Crypto has moved down in its market capitalization. This is the stage. This is the stage that's being set. But it's also creating an opportunity. And the opportunity is for Russia and China to step in and become the leaders in crypto innovation. And it's starting to appear more and more. We're starting to see, Russia and China, like right here. Well, that's more of the SEC stuff. I'll come back to that. Iran and Russia talk crypto cooperation to unveil tool for streamlining trade in national currencies. Right here, Bank of China issues 28 million in digital structured notes on Ethereum blockchain. If the United States continues to wage war, if the government continues to wage war on the U.S. crypto industry and trying to stifle innovation and trying to suppress it, that creates a void. It creates a vacuum. And in that vacuum, what will happen? You will have other major world powers step in. Russia, China. Do we want that? No. We want to be part of the innovative crypto industry. And I'm talking about the United States. And it's just becoming obvious, right, that we have a war scenario playing out. Like as I said, SEC refuses to respond to Coinbase's rulemaking petition following a lawsuit. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit has asked the SEC to clarify its position, but they're basically saying we're not going to even respond. Regulation via enforcement. And if we don't change the direction, Russia and China will continue will fill that vacuum. We don't want that. Drop in the comments below. Let me hear from you. This is one of those scary times, and you need to be paying attention, especially if you're in crypto and talking about it. With that, I'll see you.